Is YouTube about to kill faceless channels? Are AI-generated videos getting demonetized starting July 15th? I've seen dozens of creators dropping fear-based videos, claiming it's the end of faceless content, and honestly, most of them are misleading you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what YouTube actually said, what's changing, how it affects AI and faceless channels, and most importantly, how to make sure you stay monetized and protected. Let's clear the noise with real facts, straight from YouTube. I've been getting tons of emails and DMs from creators, especially people running faceless or AI-assisted channels, asking things like, is YouTube banning AI content? Will my channel get demonetized? Should I stop uploading faceless videos? And the answer is, don't panic. This update isn't as scary as it's being made to sound, but it is important, so let's walk through it step by step. Here's what YouTube actually said in their July 10 tweet about the policy update rolling out on July 15th. It's not a new policy. We're just clarifying our repetitive content policy includes mass-produced content that's already against the rules. And if we go and click on the link that YouTube provided for us in their tweet, and we go to the What's Changing on July 15th portion, it says, to be clear, we're not introducing a new YPP policy. This is a minor update to our long-standing repetitious content guideline. We regularly update and evolve our policies based on the content on YouTube, and this update is to clarify that this policy includes content that is mass-produced or repetitive, which is content viewers often consider spam. This content has always been ineligible for monetization, as we've always required content to be original and authentic for YPP. We are also renaming this policy from repetitious content to inauthentic content. These guidelines apply regardless of how the content was made, so this is not a brand new crackdown. This is YouTube rephrasing and clarifying a rule that's already existed and reminding creators of what qualifies as monetizable. Now you might be asking, what exactly does inauthentic mean? Here's what YouTube checks when they review your channel. Your content should be original and authentic. It should not be mass-produced or repetitive. It should be made for the enjoyment or education of viewers, not just for views. And when reviewers assess your channel, they're looking at main theme, most viewed videos, newest videos, biggest proportion of watch time, video metadata, including titles, thumbnails and descriptions, channel's about section. They're looking at the effort and originality behind your channel. YouTube gave a few concrete examples of content that could be flagged in this portion right here, where it asks, can you give some examples of what is considered mass-produced? It says here, a channel that uploads narrated stories with only superficial differences between them. A channel that uploads slideshows that all have the same narration. So, if you're using AI to mass-produce stories without any edits, effort, or originality, your content could be flagged. But if you're using AI to assist you and you're adding your own unique spin, such as commentary, visuals, editing, emotion, or value, you're fine. This is the question everyone's asking. Will using AI in my content be a violation of inauthentic content? YouTube answered that directly. We welcome creators using AI tools to enhance their storytelling, and channels that use AI in their content remain eligible to monetize. All channels must follow our monetization policies, and creators are required to disclose when their realistic content is altered or synthetic. More info on how to disclose altered or synthetic content in our Help Center. Let me repeat. YouTube welcomes AI-assisted content, as long as you're not misleading people and you're actually providing value. That means use AI for animation, scripting, voice, visuals. No problem. Just don't lie about it and make sure you're doing more than copy-paste work. So how do you stay safe under this new policy update? Here's the checklist. Add your own voice, commentary, or editing style. Don't upload the exact same format of videos repeatedly. If you reuse content, transform it. Make it educational, entertaining, or insightful. Read the monetization policy, including community guidelines and copyright rules. Disclose altered or synthetic content when needed. This policy is about effort and authenticity. If you're putting in the work, you're good. So here's the truth. Faceless channels are not dead. AI tools are not banned. YouTube isn't out to destroy creators. They're out to protect the viewer experience and stop spam. Most of the creators pushing fear, they didn't even link sources. They didn't read the full policy. But here, I did. And I brought you the real info, straight from YouTube themselves. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you use AI tools in your videos? Are you running a faceless channel? Let me know. I'll be keeping an eye on what happens after July 15th, and I'll update you immediately if anything major changes. Until then, stay consistent, stay creative, and keep telling powerful stories your way.